I want to go along now and start adding bits and pieces to the album. So here is another one of those pockets. Yo, these lines are very light. Whoops. I want this side out. I'm just going to stick this down. And I'm wondering if this wouldn't look great. So just now this is now sort of trial and error, having a little card sticking out of there as well. We also have a whole lot of these. Oh look, we've got more, which we can use for decorating now. So we've got, besides those, we've also got all these smaller bits and pieces as well. Some backpacks and things. And I've also got the words. So let's have a peek here. We've also got some nice tags. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 tags. And we've also got some more of these little pockets. So let's just split these up. I rather like these. Kind of like that this is the blue. Really see the fold line on this one. Again, I want the blue side up on this one. I love these little pockets, they're really super cute. What I did forget to do was make little closures. So hopefully I can come back and do those. Because I like the idea of having a little pockets with a little tag sticking out. Just got to have a look to see which way these go. So there's some of them that have definitely got a direction that looks better. Like that one looks pretty cool there. And we've also got some bits and pieces that can also go and we can build up little bits of detail. And over and above that I also have some words. Okay, so just we're going to get on our way, and we're going to be adding some decorative elements. So we also have these, so I might not use that there, I might use a big circle. The photo can pop behind. It's another little tag. I don't love circles, they're not my favorite thing to work with. But sometimes they do serve a purpose. Okay, so we can start embellishing as we go through the album with just the bits and pieces that we've got, with the stickers, with the words. It's always great to have like a word somewhere. Finding these a little thin, so what I might do is add them onto cardstock. So I'm going to leave it there. The next time you see this album, it will be fully decorated, and I'll do some close-up shots somehow, maybe a video at the end just showing you what I've used and where I've used it.